Airborne Engineering was established in 2001. They design, test and produce airborne instrumentation, bespoke rigs and control systems to test injector and nozzle geometries and evaluate the performance of new propellants and materials. At Westcott, they have modernised and upgraded the existing infrastructure to create a state-of-the-art propulsion test facility. James Macfarlane is the Managing Director of Airborne Engineering.
What we've got here is a bipropellant rocket engine, and this is actually 3D printed. This is made out of an alloy a bit like Inconel called ABD, and it runs off nitrous oxide and isopropyl alcohol, and we have water through a cooling jacket.
I know you've mentioned ESA. Have you been working on any cool projects with them?
Yes, we have actually, yes. So ESA are about to kick off a programme to help us upgrade this test rig slightly so we can do cryogenic rocket engines, so that's liquid oxygen and methane. And we've also just been given some funding for our hovering rocket, which is another test bed. So obviously these are static test beds, and we want to look at what we can do to help customers that want to fly things, particularly for how you land things on another planet. We're working on a hovering rocket. It's called GYROC, which is short for gyro stabilized rocket, because it's got a little inertial measurement unit at the top that tells it where it is, and it can steer the rocket motor, and it's got throttle valves. It can take off and it can hover, it can move sideways and land. So at the moment it's early stages. We've tested it out here at J1 on a big piece of lighting truss above the thing on a string, because it's a big expensive rocket, we don't want to crash it. But eventually it's going to go off the tether, and ESA are supporting that test programme.